Hello students, good morning. How are you all? So today in this session we are going to learn prepositions. Okay, you have seen in your previous classes also. So what is a preposition? The words which tells us about the location or position of noun or pronoun are called as prepositions. Okay, there are some words which helps to connect nouns and verbs. So the nouns or pronouns, the words which tells us about the location or position of that noun or pronoun, they are called as prepositions. So I have listed a few examples of such prepositions. So let us have a glance at the examples. So the first one is, first let me tell you the examples of prepositions. So in, on, at, to, for, near, into, inside, under, outside, beside, between, from, through, behind, all these are the examples of prepositions. So we use this to locate the position of a noun or pronoun. So let us see some examples here. The first one is in. So she lives in Mumbai. Okay, I was sitting in the room. She lives in Mumbai. In this way, we are locating or showing where is the person living. Okay, I keep my books in the bag. In this way, on, the book is on the table. The computer is on the table. The computer is on the desk. Okay, he is sitting on the bench. I was sitting on the chair. In this way, at, I saw her at the shop. Okay, then at a particular place. Okay, let us meet at the coffee shop. Okay, I saw him yesterday at the market. Okay, then to, I am going to village. I gave my classwork to my friend. So in this way, for, there is a courier for you. Okay, so I bought a gift for my mother. I bought a gift for my father. In this way, when we are relating the things. Then near, my house is near school. Okay, or my house is near a temple. Okay, she was sitting, suppose that person was not like that. Near, my house is near school. When you want to show that particular location. Then into, she dived into the pool. Okay, she jumped into the swimming pool. Then the rat ran into its hole. Then inside, beside, between, from. In this way we use these prepositions to locate or position a noun or pronoun. Okay, 2 comes between 1 and 3. Okay, I sit beside my best friend in the classroom. Okay, Ankita was sitting beside me. In this way. So behind means back. Okay, back side. So there is a bank behind our house. There is a petrol bunk behind our school. In this way. Under means down. Okay, the cat is under the table. So here are some prepositions, children. Then we have got prepositions of time. Whenever you are mentioning the particular or specific time, we use these prepositions of time. For example, on, I will not come on Monday. Okay, I will not come on Monday. In, I play in the evening time. When you want to mention that particular time, children. Then at, Zoom meeting is at 11 o'clock. Okay, the class starts at 10 a.m. In this way. Since, he is waiting there since morning. It means that since the morning times a person is waiting for someone. He is waiting there since morning. Till, I will wait till lunch. So I will wait till my mother comes. So in this way we use these prepositions of time when we are referring a particular point of time. So this is a list of prepositions with examples, children. Then after seeing this video, you have to go through your course book You have to go through your course book, page number 40 and 41. You have to go through this table and the examples. Thank you, students. This was about the prepositions. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.